Hello guys, welcome to my ATA channel, and in this tutorial we'll learn about numpy library. So let's start. Yeah, fancy indexing. If you can see here, I'm creating an array, and let me just print the array so that you'll understand how the array is formed. See, since I have 8 rows, I'm iterating the for loop for 8 0 to 7. So array of 0 is 0. So the 0th row have 0 and the first row have all the elements as 1. Similarly, 7th row, each row will have the each element as its row index. So if you could see now, I'm going to print 4306. So let's, it's not this is the 4th row, 3rd row, 0th and 6th row, so it should give you the output of respective rows. So 4th row is this and 3rd row is this. So that's what we got here, 0, and it's easy, right? So 4 says 4, and that's why that's the reason why I created this array, so that it's easy to understand what it actually means. So see why I said fancy indexing, like this, right? If you give 4, it should return the 4th row, and when you give 5, it should return 5th row. But you also have some fancy type of indexing, what these minus actually refer to. So let's check. See, you have totally 8 rows, and it starts from 0 to 7. The negative here represents from the back, so -3 means third, third from the back. So this is first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the third one from the back. So in this place it should be 5 5 5 5. That's true. And -5 means 5 from the back. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third, fourth and fifth one would be 3. You got it, right? And 7th one from the back, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7th one from the back is this. So you see, yeah, that's what you got. And so reshape, you should also know what reshape is. Actually an important function. So as I told you, np.arrange will give you 0 to 31 values as an array, and now you're going to convert that array into 8,4. Note, very important note, guys. So here 8 cross 4 is 32. So this should be matched, otherwise you won't be getting an array. It throws an error, but in this case it won't throw an error. See, 8 rows and 4 columns from 0 to 31. You got it, right? And I am about to access the array. So you can see first row, 0th column, this is the 0th row, this is the first row, 0th column, so that should be 4. Similarly, 5th row, 3rd column, so you could just run it. So see, the first element is 4 because this is the first row and 0th column, 5th row and 3rd column, 7th row and 1st column, 2nd row, 2nd column. Let me quickly say what is 2nd row. This is the 2nd row and this is the 2nd column. That should be 10. Yeah, you got it, right? You can check that. And similarly, you can also give okay, array of 1 comma 5 comma okay, these are the row values. So only 1572 rows are going to print. So that means 1, this is 5, this is 7th row, and this is 2nd row. Okay, only these rows with columns. First should be the 0th column, that means 4, the element is 4. Then 3rd column, 0 1 2 3, 3rd column contains 7, so yeah, the output is 7. And then the first column, so this is the first column, 5, and then the 2nd column, that is 6. You got it, right? 4 7 5 6. And if you go to the 5th row, 0 1 2 3 4 5, so the output here will be 20 will be the first element, that would, and second would be 23rd, and again it would be 21. After that it should 22 20 23. So similarly, yeah, the other elements also. Okay, now look at we'll see how you'll get the transpose of the arrays. So see, np.arrange will give you an array of 0 to 14 elements, and now you're converting that into an array of 3 rows and 5 columns. So let me just so 0 to 14, yeah, of shape 3 comma 5. And if you give array.t, that will give you the output showing the transpose of the array. So that transpose will means that you'll have 5 rows and 3 columns. That's pretty much about it. And if you could see the Again, I'm going to randomly create a 6 by 3 array, and if I'm going to, I'm going to here, I'm going to multiply both the arrays. So in this case, np dot whenever you want to, as I mentioned before, if you want to multiply them element wise, then you can directly use the multiplication symbol. But if you want to multiply using the matrix, multiplication, that in that case, see, array transpose will have an array of 3 comma 6, right? The shape of array dot t would be 3 comma 6, and the shape of the array is 6 comma 3. So whenever you multiply both of them, in that case you'll be getting an array with 3 by 3. So you can check that. And again, reshape, the product of all these should be equal to the value here. So 2 0 4 4 0 16, yeah, 16, both are same. I'm going to create a 3-dimensional array. So this is the output. It should give 0 to 15 elements, and yeah, that's fine, 0 to 15. And if you go into transpose, okay, so it says, see, 0, actually this is the 0th one, that means 2, and this is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, 0 1 2 is the actual order, and here I'm giving 0 comma 2 comma 1. That means it should have, see, here we have 2 rows with 4 columns, and we have 2 such things. So this 2 means one part and second part, so 2 are over. And 2 comma 4 here means actually 2 rows and 4 columns. You have 2 rows, 4 columns. Okay, now you are going to reverse it. So 0 means 2, so you will have again 2 parts, and 2 means 4, so the number of rows should be 4. So 1 2 3 4, and 1 means 2, number of columns should be 2, 1 and 2, 2 columns. You got it right? So that's the output. And if you look at the normal transpose, normally transpose means, that will completely get reversed, right? I mean 0 comma 1 comma 2, that would be reversed. And if you don't give any value here, that means 2 comma 1 comma 0, that means 4 comma 2 comma 2. 4 means you will completely have 4 parts, so 1 2 3 4, and each of 2 by 2 matrix. You got it right? So this actually means, see, okay, let me just first run this, and now let me show what I actually mean. Both are actually same. See, if this is actually same as 2 comma 1 comma 0, okay, both gonna give same result, and again, this is our array. See, here what we've done is you just swapped the first and second. It should be 0 comma 1 comma 2, but you swapped first to second, second to first. So you can directly give, there's something called swap access, which will again directly changes that, and you'll give you the correct same output as before. See, 0 4 1 5 2 6 3 7, see, 0 4 1 5 2 6 3 7, both are same, both are actually same. This and this, you can, instead of that, you can use swap access. So that is it for this tutorial, and in this tutorial we have learned about fancy indexing and transposing and swapping the access of the array. So that is it guys, I'll see you in the next one.